Where the hell is the button? Where's the button? Yo, where is this button? Found it. Found it. Stay hydrated. Kobe. I made it. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Macy. How are you doing today? From the title of this video, you can tell that I am going to be talking about Disney World, or maybe my outfit, you could tell, or the strange ears that hopefully one day will be socially acceptable to wear everywhere. So these ears are actually made by my friend Nadia. She sent them to me and asked me to wear them and let me know what I think about them, and I really love them. And she does have an Instagram page if you do want to see what she makes, or a pair of ears like this. They're super comfortable. I have had ears where they light up and like the battery is so heavy that it just feels like you don't want to wear them, and honestly I can't even tell that there's a battery on this. They're so comfortable, and you should go check out her ears if you are going to Disney. And her page, I will link everything down below, and she is the sweetest person ever, and we used to work in Tomorrowland together. But let's get on into the video, or else I will talk about Nadia all day long. Today I am going to give y'all some Disney tips and things you should know about when you're going to Disney World, either for the first time or if you're still learning how to get the ropes of Disney World. For those of you who don't know, I am a cast member. I work at Epcot, so I think that I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to Disney anything. So let's just get started. First tip would be bring water and snacks. You can bring bottles of water or chips or granola bars into Disney World. They will not tell you you have to throw it out. If you don't bring bottles of water, always ask for a cup of water, because cups of water are free at Disney World. And if you buy a water bottle, it is $3, and you could buy a pack of water for $3 at Walmart. So either ask for cups of water or go buy bottles of water before you come. Unless you're seriously dehydrated, do not pay for $3 for a water bottle. $3 for a water bottle is ridiculous. If you are staying at a Walt Disney World resort and you have tickets to parks on certain days, they have these what is called extra magic hours. So say you have a ticket to Magic Kingdom, and Magic Kingdom is only open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. If they have extra magic hours at night, magic hours can be from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. which means that if you are staying at a Disney resort, you are the only ones who are allowed to be at the parks for extra magic hours. So even though I work there, I couldn't use my extra magic hours unless I was staying at a resort. Sometimes they're in the morning, sometimes they're at night, sometimes it's for different parks, sometimes they don't do it at all. But if you're staying at a Disney resort, you could have extra magic hours, which is awesome. Also, you can look up the times and everything with this app called My Disney Experience. My Disney Experience is like a holy grail for going to Disney. I could make a whole separate video on that app. So if you want a video on My Disney Experience and how to make your trip way more efficient, comment down below and let me know, or else I won't do it, because then obviously you guys don't want to see it. But if you do want to see it, comment down below and I will certainly make that video about the app. If you are going to Magic Kingdom and it is busy, like it always is because it's the Magic Kingdom, afterwards when they have fireworks, if you've been to Disney before, you know, do not go to the exit, because everybody goes to the exit and then you will be stuck trying to exit for a good 30 to 40 minutes. It is insane. But if you do want to exit after the fireworks, try going to the bus lot. So to leave Magic Kingdom, or to even get there, you have to take a monorail or a ferry boat, because Magic Kingdom is extra as hell, and you can't just walk up to Magic Kingdom. You have to take something back to transportation to get to your car, then to leave. Unless you're staying at the Contemporary, then you can just walk over, but that's a whole other whatever. If you go to the bus lot, sometimes when it's really, really busy, they have a bus that takes you to the Ticket and Transportation Center, so you don't have to wait in a 30-minute or 40-minute line for the monorail or the ferry boat. I discovered this on 4th of July weekend. I had no idea. My friend told me about it. It's bus number 28, and when it's really, really busy, they will run bus number 28. There's non-stop buses, and honestly, I've never had to wait in line for that bus. I just get right on and go to TTC. Try it. It might not be there. It might take 5 minutes out of your day to see if it's there, but if it's there, you're going to love it, and you don't have to wait in a 40-minute line. I wish I would have known about it the whole time I've been at Disney. But go to the bus, ask if number 28 is running to the TTC, and that way you don't have to wait in a 30 or 40-minute line to get back to your car, and then you just take the bus right there. It's like a 5-minute bus drive. It's better than waiting 30-40 minutes for the ferry boat or the monorail. If it is your first time at Disney, it's your son's first time at Disney, if you are celebrating a wedding anniversary, if you are celebrating a birthday, go up to anyone at guest relations or any merchandise location and ask for either a first visit button, I'm celebrating button, happy birthday button, or a happily ever after button, and they are free. You can get as many buttons as you want. You can write your name on it. I always write when I'm celebrating, or I'll write my name if it's my birthday, and then ask for tape to put tape over it, because if not, sometimes it's really hot and the shirt will like rub against the button and it'll melt off, and then if you tape it, it'll last forever. And everyone will know that you're celebrating little Johnny's 7th birthday, or that you've been married for 27 years, or that you just got a divorce. I've seen that too. If you're celebrating a divorce, you go boo. Like, you get rid of that toxic relationship, but let everyone know what you're doing there, okay? If you are traveling with your family to Disney for the first time and don't know what Memory Maker is, I'm here to save your life. Memory Maker is basically all of the photos that you take at Disney, but you pay one price for all of them. So for example, say you take 57 photos while you're there, okay? One photo can be $20. And if you do 57 times 20, I don't want to do the math, but I know it's way over $200 for a fact if you want all those photos. If you buy Memory Maker 3 days before you come, you can get it for $169, which gets all the photos that you take at Disney. You can take as many photos as you want for $169 3 days in advance. I'm saying 3 days because it takes 3 days to activate the $169 price. If you get to Disney and realize that you do want Memory Maker, it's $199. So you save $30, but you can't use it for 3 days. So 3 days before you come to Disney, pay for the $169 one on the My Disney Experience app. Again, separate video, let me know below if you want it. If not, if you get to Disney, go to any PhotoPass location, say, hey, I want Memory Maker. Okay, they're gonna be like, that's $199. Okay, here's my card, here's your Memory Maker. Go ahead, have all the photos in the world that you want for free, okay? Well, not for free, but it's better than paying $20 per one photo, okay? Just trust me. Also, if you love to chew gum like everyone in my family, you cannot buy it on Disney property. Disney World does not sell any gum because we do not want to find it under tables or under chairs or on the floor and have someone step on it. So you cannot buy gum or cigarettes at a Disney World park. I think you can buy cigarettes at the resorts. I don't know about gum at the resorts, but I know you cannot buy gum or cigarettes at the parks. If I had $1 for every time I got asked that, you do not. You cannot. You can smoke at the parks. They have designated smoking areas, but you cannot buy them. Also, things that you can't do at Disney, you can't drink at Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom is a dry park. If you want to drink at Magic Kingdom, you need to have a reservation for some type of dinner. I think it's only Be Our Guest or like Cinderella's Royal Table. I don't know which ones exactly have alcohol, but if you want to drink, go to Epcot, go to Hollywood Studios, go to Animal Kingdom, but you cannot drink at Magic Kingdom because it's Magic Kingdom. But if you do want to drink, just go to Epcot. Everyone goes to Epcot to drink. Drink around the world, do your thing. They have some good drinks, so I've been told. If you are going to a park and you go into the gift shop, the first thing you do, why would you do that? I don't know, but if you do, and your kid really wants the 6-foot Stitch, that's like $100,000. It's not really, it's like $70, but it's huge. And you're like, no, I don't want to get it because then you're gonna have to carry it around the park all day. You don't have to. If you're staying at a Disney resort, you can actually have it shipped to your resort. And if you're not staying at a Disney resort, you could have it shipped to the front of the park and then pick it up at the end of your stay. If you are staying at a Disney resort, you have to be staying there for at least one more day. You can't be checking out the next day to have it shipped to your resort. And if you're shipping it to the front of the park, you have to be there for at least 3 hours. But if it's 9 a.m. and you know you're gonna be there until it closes at 10 p.m., it'll be there by the time you get to the front of the park. It's awesome. All you have to do is fill out a piece of paper and then keep that paper and then go pick it up at the end of the night. But if you do want some things, you can send it home. I would rather just send it to the front of the park or send it to my resort though. It will be at your resort the next day after 1 p.m. in the gift shop. So just do that. If you want to buy stuff and you don't want to hold it all day, just send it. So if you are planning a trip to Walt Disney World, in my opinion, the best time to go as a cast member who has been working there for almost a whole year, middle of January until the middle of March is the best time to go. It's busy around Valentine's Day, but nobody's there in January because everyone just spent all of their Christmas money here, and nobody comes until the middle of March because that's when spring break starts. So it's busy, but it's not busy at all like it is after March or right before Christmas time. So middle of January to middle of March is the best time to come. So if you want to come when nobody's here, come then. And my last advice would be know that you're coming to Orlando, Florida. It could say that's gonna be 95 degrees and you get here and it's 41 degrees. It could say that's gonna rain for 12 hours and you can come here and it's not raining at all. It could say that's not gonna rain and it's gonna rain. You never know what it's like here. I always bring a backpack. I always pack extra clothes. If I'm wearing leggings, I will pack a pair of shorts. If I'm wearing a long sleeve, I will pack a t-shirt. Unless I am wearing sneakers, I will always bring extra shoes. If I'm wearing flip-flops, I will bring sneakers because you never know. And you're gonna be at the park all day. Always bring light clothes. Don't bring like a huge heavy jacket. If you know it's gonna be cold, then just bring like a sweater because you're still gonna be hot because you're walking around. But always pack something extra, but something light because you don't want the backpack to be way too heavy. I always bring extra clothes. I always bring extra socks because what if you want to do a water ride? If it does start to rain, you have extra clothes and you don't have to worry about it and spend $1 million at the gift shop at the parks. I always bring extra clothes. If I wear shorts and a t-shirt, I always bring a hoodie because I never know if it's gonna get cold. And I know my legs can tolerate the coldness, but if you feel more comfortable bringing pants and a hoodie, then do that. But always bring extra clothes. I've had times where I've had to change at parks because either it rains or I just get really sweaty and gross and don't want to be in those clothes anymore, or it gets hot, or just I spill food. Like, you never know. You don't want to be miserable. If you have kids, you don't want them to be miserable, so just bring extra clothes. Whew, that was a lot of information at once. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're going to Disney and need more questions, please ask me. I work there, so hopefully my answers will be able to help you out. If you do want a whole video on my Disney experience and how it's like a lifesaver and holy grail of going to Disney, please let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to see more of me. My name is Macy and I am very awkward. I hope that you guys have a great day, and remember, go check out the ears that Nadia makes because they're amazing and they're really good quality, and she sent them in a really cute package, so go buy some from her. I will see you all real soon. Bye. That was really creepy. I'm so sorry if any children was watching.